Today we have the 2020 Toyota Hilux. This vehicle has done just under 29,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the back of the vehicle, we can see that this is a crew cab. We have 5 seats in total, all of which are full of black leather. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic headlights. On our screen we can access key features such as navigation, traffic reports, connectivity, Toyota Online and our phone. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats, lane assist and hill descent control.